In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use dependent form fields in HubSpot. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Start by opening HubSpot and navigating to the Forms area under Marketing, then Lead Capture, then Forms. From here, either pick an existing form you want to edit or create a new one if you prefer to build from scratch. Working in an existing form is a quick way to add conditional logic to fields you already use. Choose the field that will act as your trigger. This should be a drop-down or a radio select field. Something like country or industry works well. The trigger is the property that determines which other fields appear, so pick something relevant to the information you want to collect. To configure the logic, click the pencil icon to edit your trigger field, and then open the Logic tab in the left-hand editor. The Logic tab is where you'll tell HubSpot how to show or hide dependent fields based on the trigger selection. Scroll down to the Dependent Field section and click Add or add another rule if you already have some rules defined. Now you'll define the rule in 3 parts. In the first dropdown, select the trigger property you chose earlier. In the second dropdown, set the condition. For example, choose a condition like is any of, and then pick the specific value or values that will activate the dependent fields, such as United States. In the third dropdown, under the Then Show option, select the field or fields that should appear when that condition is met. For instance, state or region. If you need different fields to show for other trigger choices, repeat this process and add additional dependent field rules. For example, you might show province when country is Canada, or a specific industry-related question when industry is a selected value. This keeps your form tidy and relevant to each respondent. When your rules are in place, save the form and test thoroughly. Try different trigger selections to confirm the correct fields appear and hide. And test on multiple devices or browsers to ensure the behavior is consistent. A practical tip is to keep your trigger options clear and your dependent fields concise, so users aren't overwhelmed. Also, use descriptive field labels to make data easier to analyze later. That's the full process for using dependent form fields in HubSpot. Follow these steps to streamline data collection and improve user experience on your forms.